Alright guys, what's going on? I'm here to show you guys my little product that I just bought called colourlock. BMW Oyster color, specific BMW color. Specifically for this BMW that has some dye transfer, just very worn out seats. It's got a couple spots here and there, but you know, just tried a little bit of spot here and it made it a little better, but it's still pretty dark. So I'm gonna be trying this stuff out. Got it shipped from UK. Actually got a couple colors because I mess with these cars so much that a lot of times the leather is tore up, so I end up having to repair. And so then this is my first time actually trying this product. So here's my Finetto beige and the BMW Oyster. So steps looks pretty straightforward. Just kind of apply, dry it with the hair dryer, and then reapply as needed. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how that's done. And I am by no way affiliated with this company. I'm just an independent person. I buy and sell BMWs, and so then just out here trying out this product. So this company does say that you should use a degreaser, specifically their own brand, but just kind of have a pretty natural degreaser, which is made by Method, which is plant-based, so that shouldn't really harm any of the leather. So we'll go ahead and spray it on the cloth here. Just kind of wipe down the problem area, and this is mainly just to get your oils off the seat and stuff that could interfere with the bonding process of the colourlock. I mean, these guys literally have every single color that you could want for your BMW. So like I said, keep it on the rag. Yeah, just kind of wipe down all the areas you're gonna work on here. I can see a little better how worn this thing is. It's pretty bad. Alright guys, the kit here comes with the leather dye, Color Fresh, and the applicator sponge. Pretty basic applicator sponge. A lot of liquid in here. I'm gonna shake that up for a couple minutes before I use. And between each application you should use a hair dryer. Let's have a regular Dyson Airblade. Well, not pretty regular, I think it's pretty expensive, but should do the job. So we're gonna get right to it. Alright guys, we got a little sponge applicator here. Make sure you shake up the product pretty good. Stuff comes from UK, so probably shook up a lot, but still better to take that probably, right? And then this is, we're working on a 2009 BMW 750. Trying to get things done on this bad boy. Alright, cool. So here we're gonna have put a little applicator down the sponge. Oh, let that run out there. Just kinda wanna brush that on. Stroke it back and forth, So let me go ahead and do this thing and get back to you guys in a second. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, looks like we have a couple things to talk about on this colourlock stuff. So at first I tried rubbing it, like a square, like a circle rubbing method as instructed, but I don't know, it just felt like it was picking up the paint, the dye, as soon as you rubbed it in. So then I started kind of doing a little different method, and what I did, I dabbed it, and then I hit the hair dryer right on top, and then looks freaking 10 times better already. The only thing is with dabbing it, it kind of clogs up these holes a little bit, so I'm gonna have to probably poke them with a needle, areas right there, just kind of get that perforation back. But I mean, It's not much, it's just this really, really dark area that was here that I had to dab up. You know, the rest of it looks pretty good. And then I'm sure with like, you know, ventilation and the heat, it'll probably unclog those. And then up here, I mean, this was freaking straight dark black. I mean, it was almost black colored, and I did the same thing, dabbed it on there, and seems to be working a whole lot better, man. I mean, this thing is definitely the right color. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and get back to it. Like I said, this is the best method that worked for me. Just kind of dabbing it on there like that. If you rub it, you know, it just kind of doesn't. But you dab it up, get it pretty wet in there, and then it should get you an nice even coat. So we're going to go ahead and finish that up on the sides. I just did the middle and the front. So we'll work on the sides and see how that comes out. Then I'll drive it out in the sunlight and see what we got the final product. Here we have the final product. I'll give you guys a little more light. That looks pretty damn legit. Looks pretty damn legit. In the middle part, lined up a lot. And I try to rub it off with some degreaser, man. This stuff is actual dye, man. It's got dye and filler in it. So still gotta do a lot of work back here on these spots, but I just kind of want to get an idea what it's actually worth product buying. And I will say, I will give it a go. I'm gonna try it out for a couple more days, but as of right now, let me take you guys around the other side. I gotta do a little work here, but pretty confident that it's gonna work. I even hit this seat for a little bit, and this one wasn't nearly as bad as the other one, but you know, for hitting it a couple of times, it actually looks pretty good. So might tackle that next, but man, that seat over there was definitely the worst, and now it looks pretty damn new. Kind of excited about that. So as a first time using this, I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna say it's a good product to use. It's color like COLOUR lock. Came out of England. I think each color was like 45 bucks, but it was shipped, fully shipping if you order more than one. Yeah, fuck, I'm pretty damn happy, guys. So if you guys have any questions about it, please let me know. If you guys know any other product that could probably be better than this, also mention that on there. But so for now, I'm pretty happy. First time ever doing this, and I really don't have any complaints. All right, thank you guys, and look forward to seeing your comments. And please don't forget to subscribe, because I will be doing a lot of tutorials like this. So keep in touch. And I have a BMW that's really tore up on the inside. I mean, freaking all the door seals are black. I mean, all the door leather is black. I mean, the seats are freaking terrible. So, and I got the color for that already. So hopefully that will work for us. All right, guys, talk to you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.